Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosh of A equals to e to the power of A plus e to the power of negative A over number 2. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So we have e to the power of 3 ln(s) plus e to the power of negative number 3 ln(s) over number 2. Next, I will put number 3 go inside about the natural law in here. Similar for negative number 3. Next, we have the second formula in here. E to the power of ln b equals to capital B. Now, we can apply similar for this one and this one. Now, I will put number 2 go outside. And now, I will have about the final answer. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of number 3 plus 1 over number 3 plus 1. We can do the similar for the next one. And this one we have number 4. This is we have negative number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.